IH soldering robot JCAT Wave. Thanks to the world's first magnetic concentration technology, it is possible to concentrate heat energy in a finite locations. The system includes a 360-degree rotatory table, which allows the robot to move in 4 axes. Operating cost and consumable parts are drastically reduced due to non-contact soldering process. There is no need to replace parts or make frequent adjustment, thus allowing operate for a long time without stopping. A standard height sensor is utilized to provide for consistent soldering results and prevents damage to any sensitive electronic parts. Point soldering and slide soldering are possible, which provides for greatly flexibility. It is possible to use the same tool to solder parts of different sizes, shapes, and heat capacities. It can change the heat power every 100 milliseconds, providing for fast temperature control and flexibility for varying heat sink requirements. The system is equipped with an IH, inducting heat checker as standard, capable of regularly checking the heat properties. Complies to ICN IRP guidelines restricting exposure to electromagnetic waves.